Welcome back to our channel eCommerce Know-How. Metaverse is a relatively new concept and is about to impact our lives in ways we cannot even imagine. In this video, we will talk about the impact of Metaverse on the e-commerce industry. Let's begin. The very early stages of e-commerce in the Metaverse are already here. Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce company, has integrated initial Metaverse technologies into its marketplace. Room Decorator, the company's newest augmented reality shopping product, lets you envision what furnishings, as well as other home decorations, would appear like in your place using your tablet or smartphone. You can combine various goods and save your home's AR images for future references. Warby Parker offers a virtual try-on software that enables users to test all the frames in the company's collection prior to making a purchase. This allows you to purchase its items online without actually having to make a big decision on the item's suitability for your home. As these new technologies mature, they would likely alter our perceptions of e-commerce. The Metaverse and e-commerce. Firstly, it provides a greater personalization. Customization is quickly becoming the next must-have for just about any firm hoping to create customer trust. 80% of customers say they're quite inclined to purchase from companies that offer customers a set of personalized items, and 3/4 of customers think the concept of living customer profiles is beneficial to the entire buying process. Personalization in e-commerce, on the other hand, frequently ends with specific recommendations as well as discounts. This may drive sales, but it does not inspire buyers to explore the brand's environment as well as partake in the culture of the company that surrounds the product catalog. Nike has indeed become a leader in digital communication as well as creativity for a long time, so it's no coincidence that it was one of the very first companies to venture into the Metaverse. Nike is taking huge moves into the area of customized interactions and experiences by adding and submitting a variety of patents for virtual sneakers as well as gears, thus in a way signaling a future release of NFTs. Nike Land, an immersive and customizable 3D arena in which the Nike community can play in games and perhaps even develop their own space using the Nike Land Toolkit, was launched in November on the popular gaming portal Roblox. Medals can also be won, which can be redeemed for Nike clothing as well as accessories for their characters. Secondly, it holds a stronger community engagement. E-commerce firms have quite a chance to benefit by engaging in community-building projects in a market where social proof, as well as suggestions from prospective customers, are much more powerful than just about any other method of advertising. You may create a more healthy relationship with the customers by allowing them to participate fully in the company's activities. This will keep you in contact with all of what your followers expect from your business. Businesses that want to bring more of their users under one more like a virtual roof, which earlier used to rely on PR activations as well as influencer events. However, the Metaverse has now practically created new prospects for brands that want to fulfill their objective of bringing as many of their users under one virtual umbrella. Whereas previously engagements were limited by location, logistics, as well as public health regulations off late, it is now feasible for anybody to participate in interactive brand experiences. Since 2017, Sephora has hosted Sephora House of Beauty, an annual event. In the year 2021, Sephora chose to make the event totally digital and free to attend, not just because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but also because of the growing importance of virtual commerce. Customers could explore 5 different rooms in the 3-dimensional interactive funhouse, which also included a loft for all the beauty fans to network. It also had a family room with brainstorming sessions with beauty brand founders. There was also a home theater for instructional videos as well as makeup masterclasses, and lastly, it had a backyard party which had celebrity guests as well as influencers. Attendees can also participate in activities and quizzes for a chance to win prizes or acquire the entire experience kit of items displayed at the virtual event. The COVID-19 epidemic, along with the need of the e-commerce companies to increase the rate of engagement with their customers online, can very well be credited for the fueled expansion of virtual commerce as well as a game-based virtual interactive design. While the conversion of the story of the movie Ready Player One to reality will indeed take a long time, we should, however, anticipate the activities that spark the Metaverse to play a significant role in e-commerce in general. So this is all about the impact of Metaverse on the e-commerce industry. Comment what you think about the future of the e-commerce industry.